OtterPro High Color Density Ultra DTF Ink is designed to save you time on DTF printer maintenance. Its special formula keeps printheads clog-free, delivering a smooth, consistent flow for professional quality results every time. Not only does it provide vibrant colors, precise detail, and sharp clarity on your t-shirts, but it also produces durable, washable prints that maintain a soft, breathable feel, keeping your shirts lightweight and comfortable. Our Ultra DTF ink features 18-month shelf life, 6 months longer shelf life than regular DTF inks on the market. These inks are made with eco-friendly practices, aligning perfectly with our commitment to sustainability.